The match pass will be presented to us by the children from the four houses. Pallava house in yellow, Kakatiya house in blue, Chalukya house in green and Gajapati house in red. With 144 points, Chalukya house is in first place. Next we have Kakatiya house which has scored 130 points. The house in blue is Kakatiya house with their captain P. Hasni of class 10. Their vice captain is Y. Akshaya of class 9. The flag is held by D. Tejas Raja of class 10 and the house board is held by A. Moksha of class 9. Next is Pallava house in the third position and vice captain is P. Arush of class 9. The flag is held by P. Nagendra of class 10 and the house board is held by K. Rutrika of class 10. On their heels is Gajapati house with M. Pranil Sai Kumar of class 10 leading them. Their vice captain is P. Nirmal Satyasaket of class 9. Their house flag is carried by I request our chief guest, Dr. Abraham Balugis.
Number one GTA 5 player అవును హైఫే ప్రో మరైతే మేము హైఫే ప్రో దమ్ము చెప్పుంటే దాని హైఫే ప్రో 16 million Robux ఇవ్వాలి.
We swear that we will take part in the sports league with a loyal competition, respecting the regulations which govern the and deserve to participate in the with a true spirit of sportsmanship for the honor of our country.
Go. Good, huh? తీస్తావా తీస్తావా
అదిగో అక్కడే ఉంది ఫ్లాగ్ మళ్ళీ అక్కడికి వెళ్ళిపోతాయి స్కూల్ కడతారా లేదు మాస్క్ కంటదేమో అదే సన్నకెళ్ళి కాలిపోతుందేమో సన్నకెళ్ళి కాలిపోతుంది అదే నాకు గెలిస్తే సన్నకెళ్ళి కాలిపోతుంది అదే నాకు ఇప్పుడు దాన్ని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేద్దాం
Thank you, madam.
పైకి మాట్లాడుతున్నాను అవతో పైకి మాట్లాడుతున్నా
There is no doubt there are always further heights to reach, said Jessica Hayford. We expect gracefully ascend into the open sky, carrying with it our collective hopes and dreams. Let us reflect on the beauty of fleeting moments and the boundless possibilities that lie ahead. May this symbolic gesture remind us to embrace the journey of life with optimism and resilience, reaching new heights just as the balloon disappears into the vast expanse above.
ఏనా అన్నాలు తీ
అటు ఇటు నౌకొని వెళ్తారా అటు ఇటు ఒకసారి
Thank you, sir. The torch, a symbol of undying spirit and the fire of competition, lights our path today. Watch closely as it waves through the grounds, illuminating our path to sportsmanship. P. Nagendra of Pallava House has started off with the torch to run the first lap as he is leading with 17 points. He is handing it over to the behind. Sanjay Patadu of Chalukya House ran the last lap. He has 9 points. Ladies and gentlemen, we are thrilled to present a PG display inspired by the theme of metamorphosis. Our students of class 5 and 6 will demonstrate this journey of transformation through choreographed formation, starting as a flower representing potential and growth and evolving into a butterfly symbolizing beauty, freedom and change. Please join us in welcoming them with a big round of applause as they prepare to showcase their creativity. Ladies and gentlemen, let them support with a big round of applause. Inspired by the iconic Olympic rings. These rings symbolize unity among the continents and the universal spirit of sportsmanship. pursuit of excellence across the world. Let us celebrate this spirit today. Thank you.
अरे ओके टूटने पे भी कितना ना होना इतना ना ए टूट गई अब नहीं उसको ना
Let's give a huge round of applause to our talented students for their remarkable performance. The display of metamorphosis captured the essence of growth and transformation, reminding us of the potential within each of us. Thank you for your support and for celebrating their hard work, coordination and spirit.
ये तेरे तो मेरे ये तो अम्मा है अभी चले दो ఎంత పనిచేయాలో తెలుసా ఫ్రాగ్మెంట్ కావాలి జస్ట్ 2 ట్రిపుల్ కటానా కావాలా మరి నాకు చూసావా వదిలి అకౌంట్ రిపోర్ట్
The next event on the track is Class 3 and 4 boys running 60 meters. The participants of the third event are Rudra Sengar, 3rd A, Kakatiya House; P. Shreyan Jashwit, 3rd A, Pallava House; M. Shushrut Shreyan, 3rd B, Chalukya House; T. Nandavardhan, 3rd B, Pallava House; K. Jayant, 4th B, Kakatiya House; T. Riyan Samvit, 4th B; Prince Rajkumar Purohit, 4th A; C.H. Vedavidit, 4th A. The next event is, for today, Class 3 and 4 girls running 60 meters. The participants of the third event are Anshika Panda, 3rd A, Chalukya House; Next up on the track is Class 5 and 6 activities, 6A, Chalukya House; B. Sai Pranita, 6A, Kakatiya House; A. I request the in-charge teachers to accompany with the winners near the victory stand. The winners of the second event, that is Class 3 and 4 boys running 60 meters, are I request the in-charge teachers of the event to be present near the victory stand. position has been bagged by Guna Surekha from 4th B of Kakatiya House. Anshika Panda is in the 3rd place of class 3rd A from Chalukya House. I request the in-charge teachers of the event to be present near the victory stand. The winners of the 4th event of the winners of the 4th event, that is class 5 and 6 girls running 100 meters. The first position has been bagged by K. Kusuma of class 6A from Chalukya House. The second position has been bagged by S. Likita Sri Manya from 5th B of Gajapati House. Been bagged by Lasya.
Madam Muktasar.
Attention students, kindly take your seats and remain away from the track to avoid any kind of obstruction in viewing. This will help ensure that everyone has a clear view of the event. All the students, please remain. And Yashvita Sri, UKGA, Chalukya House. Sri Nandana, UKGA, Gajapati House. Ritika Sahu, UKGA, Chalukya House. LKG A and B boys running 30 meters. The participants of the night's event are B. Purnesh, LKG B, Chalukya House. R.T. Sriniket, LKG B, Pallava House. N. Prived, LKG B, Pallava House. S. Yogan, LKG B, Pallava House.
నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్ నువ్వు వెళ్ళి నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్ నువ్వు జాయిన్ చేసి దీని వదిలితే వెళ్ళిపోద్దురా
Batsman.
The teacher was
Class 9 and 10 girls running 200 meters are the first position has been bagged by B. Viharsha of class 10th B from Chalukya House. The second position has been bagged by A. Roshita of class 9.
ఉండవే బాబు
I request the in-charge teachers of the 7th event to be present near the victory stand. The winners of the 8th event, that is UKG girls running 40 meters. The next event on the track is LKG girls running 30 meters. The participants of the 10th event are Shraddha Rani Sahu, LKGB, Kakatiya House. M. Akhila, LKGB, Pallava House. Arohi, LKGB, Gajapati House. B. Shrita, LKGB, Pallava House. B. Chakshita, LKGB, Gajapati. Students and parents, please kindly take your seats and remain away from the track to avoid any kind of obstruction in view. This will help ensure that everyone has a clear view of the event. Audience, cheer the participants with a huge round of applause. Join us for an exciting event from Class 3 and 4 girls, partner coordination ring walk 20 meters. This fun-filled activity will have teams of students working together to pass the rings down the line as quickly as possible without breaking the chain of hands. It's a fantastic way to showcase teamwork, communication and agility. Let us now give them a big round of The winners of the 12th, 13th, 14th and 15th event are requested to be ready near the victory stand.
అయినా వద్దమ్మా మిమ్మల్ని ఇద్దరిని ఎవడ ఎత్తుకెళ్ళిపోతాయి
Let's encourage the students with huge round of applause. Audience are requested to cheer the participants with a huge round of applause. performance and a true testament to their dedication and hard work. First year Kakatiya House. K. Sujan of First year Kakatiya House. Divyanshu Swain First B Chalukya House. L. Suresh First B Chalukya House. D. Tarak Second year Gajapati House. J. Sai Gautam Second year Kakatiya House. D. Karunya Second B Pallava House. Y. Jayadeep Second B Kakatiya House. The following event is Class 1 and 2 girls running 15 meters. The participants of The next event on the track is LKG Girls and Boys Combined Ball Balancing Walk 20 meters. The participants of the event are Vani Avinash and Sakshi, Lovely Singh and G. Diyan Shravi, Shradharani Saho and G. Varshit, M. Brahmani and N. Trivedi, B. K. Chalika and B. Puru, S. Shasvika and Aarti Srinithan. Audience is requested to cheer for the participants with a huge round of applause.
Ay, ay, ay. Hey!
What an adorable and impressive performance by our LKG students. M. V. Sai Ashwin, M. Yogita, K. Gaurav, K. Niyakta.
Sure. Yeah.
The participants of the 20th event are K. Sujan and L. Ashwin Teja, K. Jashwin are K. Sujan and L. Ashwin Teja, J. Jaswin Nihan and P. Lovikan Sai, Gautam and Jahir Ali, Shanmukh Sai and Karunya. A big round of applause for our class 1 and 2 boys for their remarkable performance. Open the door. Audience is requested to cheer the party. Open the door. Shut the door. Nobody. Let's encourage these young runners as they take on this challenge with determination and team spirit. Let's encourage the participants by giving them a big round of applause. Let's show them our appreciation with a big. We are again here to announce the second debut of the Junior Girls 4 into 100 meters relay this year. The participants of the 23rd event are G. Rasya, Vision for you. You run for the team, for the title, and for the finish line. Applause for all the junior girls for successfully competing till the finish line in the event. Let's encourage the students to use round of applause. Requested to cheer the participants with a huge round of applause. Coming together is the beginning. Keeping together is success. Working together is success. backed by P. Lovikant Sai. L. Yashwant Teja is in the second position. Shanmukh Sai is in the third position. The winners of the 21st event, that is Class 1 and 2 girls, open the door and close the door run 20 meters are D. Rishmita of Chalukya House from Class 1 is in the first position. G. Rishmita of Class. The winners are requested to report at the victory stand. The winners of the 23rd event, that is Junior Girls 4 into 100 meters relay running. The first position is backed by Chalukya House. The participants from the Chalukya House are, the audience is requested to clap for the winners.
అక్కడ ఉన్నాడు అన్నయ్య
The winners of the 23rd event, that is Junior students, are requested to remain away from the victory stand.
ఇక్కడ మైక్ సౌండ్ వస్తే వచ్చేసేది
The winners of the 24th event, that is Senior Girls 4 into 100 meters relay running. The first position is backed by Gajapati House. The participants from the Gajapati House are A. Roshita, C.H. Akshaya, N. Janvi, Monica. The runner-up in this race is the Chalukya House. The participants from the Chalukya House are B. Viharsha, Rishita Shreya, R. Hema Hasmita, G. Shanmukhi Priya. The audience is requested to clap for the winners. Parents and students are requested to kindly remain away from the victory stand.
నిన్న చెప్పింది అమ్మాయి కొత్తగా అవసరం తను లీడ్ చేయలేదు నేను రీడింగ్ లో
The audience is requested to clap for the winners.
టీనా
వెళ్ళొస్తావా
Relay races teach us that success is built on unity, timing and the courage to pass the baton. For an outstanding performance, let us give them a big round of applause. The winners of the 25th event, that is Senior Boys 4 into 100 meters relay running. The first position is backed by Kakatiya House.
చూసారు ఏం అందలేదు వదిలేచింది
The runner-up in this race is the Pallava House.
అమ్మో అక్కడ పోలీసు ఉన్నారు పోలీస్
Teamwork is the ability to work towards a common vision, the ability to direct individual accomplishment towards the organizational objectives. It divides the work and multiplies the success. What an outstanding performance! Let us give them a big round of applause.
గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ చెప్పేసి వచ్చే లక్కీ అగ్గులా అక్కడ ఉన్నది
In a relay, you don't just run for yourself. You run for the team, for the baton and for the finish line. Let's give a big round of applause for all the boys for competing till the finish line in the event.
బెలూనా అగో అక్కడ అడుగు బెలూన్ అడుగు అంకుల్ బెలూన్ ఇవ్వు అని అడుగు వెళ్ళు అంకుల్ బెలూన్ ఇవ్వు అని అడుగు ఎవరో ఒకరిని
Thank you, sir. As the sun shifts its position, champions rise. It's time to felicitate those who outshone others, not just
All the prize winners games also. Please, all the prize winners come and collect the prizes. Now I request Madam Sia House.
బెలూన్ లేదు అయిపోయింది
Winners, C. Dheeraj, 10th B, Chalika House. C.H. Lakshmidhar, 10th B, Chalika House. Eighth, ninth, then girls badminton doubles. Runners V. Dikshita, 8th B, Chalika House. Winners K. Rutrika, 10th A, Palwa House. K. Manasvi, 9th B, Palwa House. Eighth, ninth, 10th boys caroms doubles. Runners R. Bhargav, 9th A, Palwa House. G. Prithvi, 9th A, Palwa House. Eighth, ninth, 10th boys caroms winners V. Neeraj, G. Saket Ishwar, 10th A, Gajpati House. Saket Ishwar. Eighth, ninth, 10th girls caroms doubles. Runners Rishita Sriya, 10th A, Chalika House. R. Hema Asmita, 10th A, Chalika House. Runners. Winners B. Moksha, 8th B. S. Absin, 8th B. Srimati Aili Abraham Pankaj of NSCL, Dr. Vayyappa Rao, here on this sports day at NSCL. Why do we do sports, children? Unity. Yeah. Yeah, more points. Overcome our nervousness. Then, yeah, well, show talent. Good. Any other points? Spirit, team spirit. Sportsman spirit. Yeah. Okay, you have narrated many points. It has to be a all-round development. That's why we participate in co-curricular activities, extracurricular activities, sports activities, and games. As you are told, first aim is to keep a healthy body. That is our first aim. By participating, you exercise, so which will help you to develop a healthy body. And also team spirit. See, as you grow up, you will not be working in silos. You will be working in a team. When you grow up, when you take a job, when you are in a project, it's always important to work in a team. So these type of events will inculcate that habit of teamwork or team spirit in you. When you share your ideas, when you work together only, you can move projects. Or any work which we are going to a IT job or you are working in a factory, anywhere. So your teamwork will play a major role. So these type of events will certainly inculcate that habit in you. You know, you have seen this running race. So whoever comes first wins. You know, any game where you go back, there has to be a spirit of healthy competition and team spirit. When you participate in this type of events, there has to be a concept of fair play. You have seen the Olympic Games. How many of you seen the Olympics in the TV this year? This was the Olympic year. Huh? Many of you might have seen the Olympic Games. So there, people exhibit that concept of fair play. So
Thank you, sir. A lot of people have worked together to put in their efforts to make this evening a grand success. In this connection, I invite N. Jashmita Siri of class
NSPL and Chairman NSPL Educational Society, who has been kind enough to take time from his busy schedule and accept our invitation to be the chief guest of today's function. My heartfelt thanks to Ms. Eileen Dina Abraham, First Lady, NSPL.
Okay, look here, all of you look here. Wait.